Good morning, students. I welcome you all in this online classes. Firstly, I would like to focus that you all have to study two books of English. First one is Hornbill and second one is Snapshot. So, firstly, I am starting the book Hornbill. The first chapter is The Portrait of a Lady. It means the photograph of a lady, written by Khushwant Singh. Student, first I would like to describe whatever the summary of the complete story, whatever the summary of the lesson. And in this lesson, in this story, you will study about the narrator Khushwant Singh's deep relationship with his grandmother. This is the autobiographical essay of Khushwant Singh, in which he has described that how he passed his childhood life in village area, thereafter how he completed his education in city till post graduation, and it has been described very beautifully in this lesson by Khushwant Singh. He is telling that when he was living in the village area, then he was getting the school in village level school, in primary school, in elementary school, in basic school. His grandmother was going with him till the school, and she was waiting to the narrator till the class was over. She was very happy to cooperate the narrator till the school. Time passed away, and when narrator parents were well settled in the city, then narrator was called by his parents along with grandmother to the city. And as soon as narrator Khushwant Singh reached in the city, he was nominated. He took the admission in an English medium school of a city, of that particular city, where he was going to school by school bus. And during the same time, narrator was unable to spend his maximum time with grandmother. Grandmother was completely frustrated that she was unable to give her complete time to her grandson. She observed the textbook of the narrator and came to know that there were those books were printed especially in English, and there are no any books like religious book like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, and she was unable to help the narrator, and she was sorry for that. By this way, when narrator became adult, then he got the admission in university level school, where he had the room in the hostel, and he was completely disconnected to his grandmother. And after few years, he got the golden opportunity to go to abroad for the further education. He was very happy at all because his future was going to be turned into in a very bright way, in a very positive way. And narrator's grandmother came at the railway station to see of the narrator. Narrator thought that when he will be back, then his grandmother will not be alive. But when narrator returned from the abroad after completing his education, then he saw that his grandmother was waiting him very eagerly at the railway station. She was not one day old in the comparison of previous time. She was looking very happy. Next day, she invited some women for the religious song, and religious song was completed under the supervision of under the guidance of the narrator grandmothers. Everything was running very smoothly, very completely in a very good condition. But one day, narrator's grandmother felt very ill. She felt ill, and a physician treated her and told that she will be fit and fine very soon. But she felt that her last time has come. She called the narrator and told that her last time has come. This is the time to tell the complete entire world to see off. And she was just praying to God. All of a sudden, her rosary fell from her hand, and her hand stopped trembling, and that was the last moment of the grandmother. Next day, narrator participated in the last ceremony of his grandmother in very mournful mood, sadful mood, and he was very sorry for that. He lost his grandmother, who especially took care about his life to build him very strong in academic, as well as a good person, good citizen of the country. Student, in this lesson, the portrait of a lady, Khushwant Singh has described very strong relationship, unique relationship, very nice relationship between the grandmother and grandson. What should be the actual relationship between the grandmother and grandson? It has been manifested, indicated in this chapter, in this story, and I hope that all students, those who heard it very carefully, they understood about the real concept of the story. So that's all, students.